There you go. Good job.
Right side.
All right.
And the also brought to you by category M&M Smoke Shops, Hotel Seneca Gaming and Entertainment, Station, Salamanca Single Out, Seneca Native Wholesale Supply. I think
your tongue's under the water.
Good job.
Yeah, we're checking, make sure we got everybody.
Come on, Roger.
Sponsored by Salamanca Senior Center.
Go, Glenn.
Hey, and scoot back a little bit.
Come on, you guys.
Go.
All right. Keep rowing.
Oh, they're playing a lot.
Well, beginning to find a little speed. Of course, they got a little curve.
Keep going.
Well, here's where we can pick up speed. Coming down the line.
Keep going.
Waiting and
We're picking up debris in the river because we don't want to pollute the water, so we're picking up the debris. That's what it's out there for.
somebody behind me just said it.
No, I was so tired and sweating and hot.
All right, keep going.
Now, we haven't had anybody ski behind any of these yet.
I'm just waiting for
somebody else is going to
I know. Well
out in front, 233 from SI Conservation. Clayton the John. Because I didn't want to bug him. The fastest
Good
time
design.
for a cardboard boat out of 200 yards.
Come on, Steve. Right. Now who's rowing in that? Oh, Darren's rowing. All right. Come on, Darren. Come on, Darren.
So many guys working us.
Row, row, row.
Sometimes these boats get so close together they have to ask each other permission to paddle. We'll have to go around the buoy. Oh, we're going to go opposite direction. That could be good.
Oh, they're stuck.
Eventually you'll recognize 4 type boats as you got in the yellow, or actually green, blue, and white one. You have a lot of elbow room to get on there. But the rotary boat is holding its own. We're going to show you.
Come on, rotary! Yeah, they do. All right, now the current's going to take over.
Oh, they're cruising on them now.
Katie will probably try out this boat before they put it in the water the first time, because most people won't. They'll just decide, we don't know if it's going to float or not, so we're not going to risk it in some sort of a trial run.
Do you know what girls are in?
So, well out in front, Melissa and Robin.
Like they don't have enough strength to keep going up the street.
Oh, snag the turn. That's not a problem. Unless they take the buoy with them. And then we've got to go reset it.
We go around. You can't go in the current. The current
The other way.
It's the pink buoy that you need to go around.
That's right.
Okay. Oops. Looks like Robin and Melissa got out in the current out there, so they're going to be well outside for a little bit. We might see them down the stream a little bit later. Because we discovered about halfway out is where the river current really picks up. That's why we set the course in so close yesterday. When you get out there, you're going to go fast, but it's going to have a hard time getting back into turn 2.
So you got a lot of slack there to pick up. leash! Come on, Matt!
Always such fun at the Great Cardboard Boat Regatta.
Come on, you're
Well, we also want to remind you that even as we have a quick break here, perhaps during the regatta, or even as you're heading out to see the Vets Park area, stop by and visit our various vendors. Come
on, Father, put some back into those ropes. Come on, you gotta go around there.
In order to make the festival go.
Oh, the tide catcher.
Around turn 1, Bells of St. Mary's.
Almost there.
Yeah, get over to the car.
It's making me tired just watching. It's just gotta... He's gonna do it, he's gonna shimmy over there. There we go.
Turn 1.
Yeah.
Don't burn your boat.
We just got the word. We have an intelligence network here at the Great Cardboard Boat Regatta. All day, the Amish pirate ship is coming up right behind them.
I'm putting shirts on.
The Just Add Water Hugo Pavilion has got a lot of water inside. Take a look. And Looney Tunes kind of work off the side. 207.
There, that's better. Yeah, put the two in. Oh, that's right. That'll dry out. That's nice.
That's what happens when you name your boat Just Add Water.
I'm a fan.
Rocket well out in front.
I don't know why. Okay, Bird, you're all set. I wiped it off.
They're tired. Look at this. Watching in the middle.
Go, go!
Wait till you laugh. Bring it off on the other side. Let's go back, huh? On the other side.